If you have never posted a video on TikTok, or if you have forgotten how to post a video on TikTok, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post your video on TikTok app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TikTok account. As you can see, I'm on my TikTok account here. I'm logged in. Once you're done, now you should see a plus icon down below. Tap on it, and here you have an option either to take a live photo, or if you already have a photo or even a video from your gallery, then head to this icon here. This will display some of the content that are already in your gallery. So if I tap on this, I'll be taken to my gallery. I'll go ahead and select the photo or the video that I wish to post and tap on select here. So I've selected one. If you wish more, you can add and tap on next to proceed. If you want it to be a story, you can choose story. You can also go ahead and add sound by tapping on sound here. You'll have various songs that you can use together with your video. From here, go to next. And now you can add a description or a title to your post that you want to accompany your video by tapping on add description. And once you're done, now go ahead and click on post on top here to finalize the process. And here we go. My video is being uploaded. You can see by percentage here. So be patient until it gets to 100%. So at this point, don't exit until you finish. And finally, video posted. And here it is. It is now on my account. If you go now to profile, now you should see you have your first post here. And now you can play it from here. You can also see the number of views it has garnered. So that's how you can post a video on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.